Hi students, myself Dr. B. Ranganath, I am chemistry professor. So in the last previous class, in carbonyl compounds chapter, we discussed of aldol condensation and some problems also discussing, crossed aldol condensation also discussing. So in the last class, I am discussing one previous problem for IIT 2019 JEE January phase. So this is the crossed aldol condensation, internal aldol condensation, topic CH3. I forgot here one hydrogen in last class in aldol condensation, crossed aldol condensation. So here is hydrogen. Okay. So one of the student is asking in doubt. So here is not mentioning hydrogen. If not mentioning hydrogen means that is considered as a methyl group. Okay. So sorry. So here is hydrogen. So it will react with dilute NaOH. Dilute NaOH. So formation of A, and another one it reacts with means heating. So formation of B. What is A and B? So this is internal condensation reactions. Internal condensation reaction. Condensation reaction. Simple trick is in any aldol condensation, whether it is cross or means in internal condensation, positive charge is mainly present on the aldehyde group. Negative charge is present on the methyl groups. So here, so this is primary degree. Here secondary degree. So obviously this can be reacts together with aldehyde because of here carbon is positive charge. That is the major product. So to keep in mind which one is major. For example, it is also possible for here this then it will attack this one. This CH2 will attack this one. It is also possible. Which one is major? If given a reactant having aldehyde hydrogens, so definitely carbanion will attack of here only. That is the major product. Okay, understand? So this is means ring expansion takes place means ring is possible for cyclization is possible. So what is the ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 member ring is possible or not? So if it's not possible for which one is 6, which one is 5, by reading of conveniently, this is CH2 minus. By using of base alkali, this cannot CH2 minus or not. Here double bond. Annexed here, annexed it is attached C, annexed this one, annexed here aldehyde hydrogen. Okay, so class of water molecule condensation takes place or not. So when this will attack automatically about shifting of hydrogens, formation of one is this is alcohol, this is alcohol. This one is product, and again heating means loss of water molecule. So formation of this is the major product. This is the major product. And one more possibility is also here loss of water molecule. So this one also possible or not? This is minor product because of resonance takes place in this. That is the major. So this is A, this is B. This is the previous IIT question. So I got a mistake. Here I am not mentioning hydrogen. Okay. To see the aldol condensation topic for part 1. So here not mentioning. Okay. So this is the problem. I am discussing about one more problems in aldol condensation, crossed aldol condensation. What is the product? If you take product, the reactant is this one. Reactant is this one. reagent is dilute, NaOH and heating. Which type of products are formed? So here this is also alpha hydrogens. Okay, with alpha hydrogens containing carbonyl compound undergoes salt of condensation. Okay, so this is internal halide. So simple aldehyde group. So one of the alpha hydrogens can be written as like this: double bond OCH minus. This will attack here, automatically shifting of electrons or not. So formation of here O minus 6 membered ring is attached to here. Here where directly attached to this one. Not possible here. And again H plus, formation of alcohol. Here is double bond, means here double bond H2 will attack, means here possible for this will attack here. Here is OH minus, means here here also double bond. Next here alcohol. Next, so here heating, so loss of water molecule. So formation of product is so product in this reaction is double bond here. So one hydrogen is there, loss of water molecule. And next ring is double bond. This is the major product. Okay, this is the product. So one more is if CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and one more reactant is CH3, C double bond OH. Which one is major? Which one is major? How many possibilities of here dilute NaOH, in the presence of heating? How many possibilities? So there are 4 possibilities. 2 is self-aldol, 2 is self-aldol, 2 is cross-aldol. 4 possibilities. Which one is major? What are self? For example, here undergoes self-aldol. So CH3, CH double bond, CH here, CH3, and next C double bond O, CH3. One is this one, and again this is also self, CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond OH. This is self. What are cross? Cross means here CH3 double bond CH3. This aldehyde will attack CH2, C double bond OH. This is one cross. And one more is again this is considered as treated as alpha CH3, CH double bond CH2, C double bond CH3. Which one is major? To observe this in these reactions, if aldehyde is positive charge, this can be treated as negative charge. If carbanium will attack of positive charge of aldehyde is the major product. And one more is, if can be treated as carbanium, it can be treated as positive, it is major product. Because of aldehydes are more reactive than the ketones. So alpha hydrogens of this one attacker means which one is major? This is the major product. So simple trick is this can be written as CH3 double bond O, or here aldehyde hydrogen CH3. Okay, CH3. So this can be CH3 C double bond O CH3. So here this is CH3. Which one is loss of here loss of water molecule. Formation of product is CH3 C double bond O CH double bond C CH3. So loss of water molecule. Simple trick in given examination. So you can find out the alpha hydrogens, loss of water oxygen, and 2 hydrogens loss of predicted product. Okay. So here this is the major product. In last previous question, acetylene is given HC triple bond CH. So this will react with HgSO4, 30% H2SO4, 30% H2SO4 in HgSO4. A is product and B is again treated with dilute NaOH. NaOH predicted the what is B, A and B. Here 30% H2O in the presence of mercuric acid means hydrolysis takes place. So formation of CH2 double bond CHOH. Okay. So again hydrogen has shifted here means so this can be treated as CH2 means CH3 CH double bond H or not? Double bond H or not? So this is acetaldehyde. The question is indirectly asking. So acetylene reacts with 30% H2SO4 in the presence of mercuric sulfate. Predict the A, and next again treated with dilute NaOH, formation of B. This indicates aldol. So this is having alpha hydrogens. Alpha hydrogens undergo self-aldol condensation. So formation of product. What is the product? So this can be treated as CH3 C double bond OH, one of the hydrogen, one of the aldehyde, and one more aldehyde treated as carbanion. Okay, so this will attack this carbon. So formation of CH3 O minus means you can I wrote directly OH, CHOH, CH2 C double bond OH. Okay, for example, here loss of water molecule. Delta means heating means loss of water molecule. This one CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. So this is the B product. Final product is B. So this is A. Okay. So this is the one more question for last previous. How to find out means how to identify internal cross contamination. So understand this one. And next question is C double bond O CH2 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 1 2 3 CH2 C double bond OH. This is treated with dilute NaOH. Okay. So what is the product? Here aldol condensation takes place because of here also alpha, here also alpha. Okay. So these are internal aldol condensation takes place. Internal aldol condensation. Aldol condensation takes place. Internal aldol condensation takes place. So here H and it can conveniently wrote H or H CH2 CH2 CH2, C double bond OH. So the possibility of cyclic. Which cyclic compound? 5-membered ring or 6-membered ring? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely 5-membered ring. Here because of here carbanium. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-membered ring. So this will attack of this carbon. Therefore 5-membered ring. Obviously in the presence of dilute NaOH. So formation of 5-membered ring. I am going to count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first position here, first position is attached to aldehyde group. Okay. And next, fifth position is alcohol or not? By attacking of this one. So here one of the hydrogen is there. Loss of water molecule in the presence of delta. So formation of product is So here C double bond OH. This is the double bond. This is the main product. So this is the simple trick for finding of final product in the straight chain. So first of all, identify the alpha hydrogens. So predict it is whether it is possible cyclic membering. Which cyclic membering is possible? Whether it has 6-membered or 5-membered ring. If this is alpha and treated as this is alpha. So counting the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely 5-membered cyclic ring is possible. Okay. So this is the. And one more method is in last one. Here this one is given. This is treated with ozone in zinc in H2O, Zn in H2O. So A is product. Again A on treated with dilute NaOH and heat. Which type of products are formed? Okay. So cyclohexene undergoes ozonolysis and again dilute NaOH means dilute NaOH in the presence of delta base definitely undergoes aldol reaction. Okay. So first I said simple trick for ozonolysis. So cross the double bond, adding of oxygen here. So final product is cross the double bond means oxygen, here hydrogen, and one more is here hydrogen. So sorry, here oxygen. This is the product. Okay. To observe this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members. Again this one. So this is previous. Okay. So previous identification. So cyclohexene undergoes ozonolysis. Formation of A again treated with dilute NaOH. So predicting the B. What is A and B? So A means this one. This means this one. Again this is undergoes aldol means dilute NaOH. So formation of 5-membered cyclic. 5-membered cyclic undergoes heating. Loss of water molecule. Formation of this one. Again B is this one. This is B. A is this one. Okay. So this is the predicting of given product by using of aldol condensation and crossed aldol condensation and internal condensation reactions. So please subscribe to my channel, Dr. B. Raghunath, IIT JEE Academy. So thanks for watching, students.